Hello, welcome, my name is Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this little short sound demo video is to accompany one of my Etsy listings. It's for this little drum just here. So this is a 14-inch buffalo skin drum. It's on a beechwood frame. If I turn it over, you can have a little look on the inside. I put buffalo and beech just there on the inside of the frame. I put Pisces because it falls into the astrological house of Pisces here. Birthed on the 16th of March 2024, night in Paris, UK. All the information you need there to be able to formulate quite an in-depth birth chart for the drum and find out what energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed. I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, in there as well. The handle is a silver birch branch handle, which is rather lovely, laced with artificial sinew, which is really strong. So yeah, I'm going to play now. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a soft beater. Either of those available to purchase alongside this drum if you choose this one to be your own. So yeah, so you can have a little listen to the sound. Here we go, firm beater first. Beautiful. Okay, and then the softer beater. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing your drum online. So it's nice to be able to hear what it sounds like. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.